Welcome to CSS for beginners. Part 5 on the Mech Tech Bro. If you haven't watched part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4, make sure to watch them first for clear understanding. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro for more easy and beginners friendly tutorials. Today topic is about box model. In the box model, the first one is margin. Margin is the space outside the element border, okay? And the second one is border. Border is nothing but the lines surrounding the element padding and the content. Keep that in mind. Just note it down what I am teaching you. And the padding. Padding is nothing but the space inside the border around the content, okay? Keep that in mind. And the fourth one is width, how wide the content area of the element is, that is what about the width, okay? And the height is nothing but how tall the content area of the element is, okay? Keep that in mind and just note it down while I am teaching you. Let's dive into the Visual Studio Code. Don't worry, I will explain you properly in Visual Studio Code step by step. Let me create a basic box with width and height, okay? Let me create div here, div tag and closing div tag. Inside this, let me give a content. This is a content, okay? This is a content. This is a content. Now, let me open with the live server. You guys can see here, this is a content. And let me provide a class selector. Let me give a class selector, class selector, and I already said you right, I am going to create a basic box with width and height, okay? So I given a class selector, I have to provide styles for this particular class. So let me use the internal CSS for that. So inside the style tag, let me, because I use class, right? So I have to provide box and curly brackets, and let me give a width as 200 pixels, and let me provide height for that, height. Let me provide height as 100 pixels. So let me format the document. You guys might have a doubt. You said you are going to create a box, so I can't see any box in this live server. So where is the box? You guys might get a doubt. Actually, I created a box. You guys can't see here, but let me provide background color for this. Background color as light blue. Now you guys can see the background color. Format the document. This is the box which I created. So you guys can see here, right? It's nothing. This is a box, just a content which I created inside this, and we have set the width and height for that and given it a background color, and it's inside of the box. The content which I provided, right? This is a content that is inside of a box. Okay, so you guys understand it, right? Let me add a padding. Let me provide a padding as 20 pixels, 20 px. So format the document. You guys can see here, this is a content. Previously it was in the corner. Now I have created a padding for this 20 pixels. Now we added a padding of 20 pixels padding, and is a space inside the box and between the content and the border, and it pushes the content inward, okay? And next step, I'm going to add border for this. Let me add a border. I'm providing border as 5 pixels solid black. You can provide a 10 pixel also, but I am for simply I am creating 5 pixels. 5 pixels solid black. Solid black. Okay. Now let me format the document. Here I created a border, you guys can see here. Even if you provide 2 pixels, the thickness of the border will be slightly less. One second, let me provide 2 pixels, 2 px. Okay, and now you guys can see here. Let me format the document. It's already updated, but still I have to format the document for aligning it properly. You guys can see here, thickness of the border is 2 pixels. Okay, the content inside this is the content which I provided here. This is a content, it's inside the box. Okay, and the border goes around the content, and the padding we set it to 5 pixel solid, right? Previously, now I set it to 2 pixel solid. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let me add a margin for this. Let me add the margin. I am going to provide 30 pixels. One second, 30 pixels. Let me format the document. Now you guys can see here, margin I have provided 30 pixels. There is slightly difference here. Previously, suppose if I remove this margin, let me remove this margin and format the document. You guys can see here, there is a slight difference. I provided 30 pixels, so it came down. Margin is the space outside the box, and it pushes the box away from the other elements, okay, or the page edge. So keep that in mind. For your understanding, let me show you the e-commerce website, which is Flipkart. Let me open it, and this is the e-commerce website here. Let me go to inspect. These are the styles which they provided. This is the CSS, you guys can see here. And for this particular e-commerce website, they provided here the styles, and the main content HTML they have provided here. You guys can see it here. If you want, you can extend it. Now you guys can see. Okay, this is what I teach you today: padding, border, and margin. Okay, if you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.